Where's your hat?
I'll do it after her.
What's okay?
Ashley! Sherilyn! Smile!
Joshua, come here.
Oh, Daryl, see, Daryl, you hit that boy. Did you apologize?
Of course I did.
Come here. It's not like he meant to.
Okay.
He's crying now, Daryl. You better give him a hug and a kiss.
There she goes.
Okay, Tati, for sure you're on film now.
For sure you're on film.
Just don't break anything. How come you're not wearing gloves?
I know, Dad. It's freaking cold.
You're supposed to wear gloves here. Oh my gosh, look.
Tatiana! Watch out, Ashley!
Let me fly with Ashley, since she's going up there.
Oh, Ashley!
Mile doesn't even have gloves. Anybody that goes down there should have gloves.
Well, I have one glove, and my other hand is cold.
Turn it off!
No.
No!
Hurry up!
I'm putting gloves on. Dad, bubunggo kayo sa puno.
Are you really recording?
Yeah.
Yeah, because one day, sometimes they fall down.
Because sometimes the cameras react slow.
Yeah. You have to crash every move.
Kid over there is a chair. It looks like you can
Don't break anything. Look at this kid right here.
Okay, now.
Hey, you did good, Mile.
It wasn't bad. That was nice.
Okay, Tati.
Where is she? Where is she? I don't see
right there.
Roxy. What is Roxy gonna do? Get her, Roxy. Get her. Look at her.
I'm really out of pee. I have to pee first.
I have to pee.
Get ready. Right there. It doesn't smell so good in there. They ended up in the same spot all the time.
Oh, sino pala yun?
I gotta pee.
Roxy! Look at Roxy. There's her.
Keep recording, right?
Okay, Ashley.
No, they have to clear.
Clear up, girls. Clear.
I'm done.
You're done.
I'm done.
Yeah.
My butt is freezing. I bet it's like
Go, Roxy. Okay, go, Ashley.
Oh, wait.
Wait, no, there's a little boy right here.
That was a good ride.
Where'd you go?